Meaning of Explorer Scout.
Explorer Scout.
Explorer Scout.
Explorer Scout.
Explorer Scout. Explorer Scout is a program offered by the Boy Scouts of America for youth aged 14 to 20. It is designed to provide older scouts with opportunities to participate in high-adventure activities, career-oriented experiences, and community service projects. Explorer Scouts learn valuable life skills that prepare them for adulthood, such as leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving. They also have the opportunity to earn awards and scholarships. Overall, the Explorer Scout program offers a unique and exciting way for young people to challenge themselves, gain new experiences, and make a positive impact in their communities.